Good morning, traders. This is Ala Peters on February 24th. If you were with us yesterday morning, do you remember how spectacular and magnificent ultimate bottom was? This is as good as it gets in this market. I left my pointer on since yesterday morning. For the next 5 hours, price kept retracing. Your bullish opportunities are present. If you understand what institutions do, you are trading with them. You are never, ever, ever trading against them. Correct? System identified many hours ahead that this would be your bullish ultimate buy point. This is second best. This played out early this morning, right at the market open. Correct? And so I'm speaking with my students this morning as Jason loves silver. Jason using exact same system on silver. I have no idea what Jason's account size is. I have no idea what Jason's lot size is. It's his personal business. Theo trading Dow, 18 points on Dow. Larry killing it on Russell. Jennifer on Nasdaq. Look at this. Every single trader different instrument. Every single trader different account. This is the traders who making an effort. This is the traders who's serious about trading. This is exact same system I'm mentoring to 11-year-old girl this afternoon who will be killing it in the market. This is how simple and pure system is. As Jason says, nice shooting, Alphys. This is a system in front of you every single day. Hours and days in advance, you know. This is institutional buy point. You're only interested in long at these levels. Do not overcomplicate trading. Stop wasting your time on junky indicators. It doesn't matter what instrument you use. It doesn't matter what time frame you use. This is what traders share every single morning. This is a purity and this is the power. You will never need anything else. You can trade silver. You can trade Dow. You can trade Russell. You can trade Nasdaq. On silver, $25 per point on 46 ticks on silver. Do the math. Those are spectacular results. Correct? So it's about $1,200 on one lot. It's about $12,000 on 10 lots. $24,000 on 20 lots. You decide the lot size you want to trade. Theo, 18 points on Dow, $5 per tick. $90 one lot, $900 10 lots, $1,820 lots. Larry, Russell, very different point count, very different instrument. So as Larry shares, Russell $5 per tick. Thank you for reminding me. It is very unique instrument to trade Russell. So 21 points on Russell, $5 per tick is 155 one lot. Do the math. What it is on 10, 20 lots. It's your business how many lots you trade. Jennifer, 2 little babies at home killing it on NQ. Magnificent, spectacular work. NQ also $5 per tick. 155 one lot. Do the math what it is on 10 lots. Boom. Phenomenal work. Positive, powerful traders who simply do this. Buy with institutions because institutions keep buying the markets. Institutions not shorting the markets. Can you obey the bold green line? Tell me yes or no. If the answer is yes, you can be one of my incredible traders and students. Tomorrow, extremely important class. This is it. Simple. Jennifer correcting me. $660 per contract. Magnificent work. 2 little children at home. And Jennifer can do this. What is stopping you? This is institutional trend system. This is how traders trade. Looking at these charts every single morning, traders identify hours and days ahead. Do you remember this? Price was at the bottom at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone yesterday morning. Price was here at the market open. Yesterday was much better than this morning, but Nasdaq, Dow, and Russell are identical. If I convert this chart right now to 5, what do you see? Wow! If you were in the trading room yesterday, do you remember this? Ultimate institutional bottom yesterday morning. Second best here. But if you decide to trade 3 minute, 10, 15 minute, it's identical power. Correct? What is the quality of your long here? The name of the game, ouch. Intelligent trader would never touch market here. This is where intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader buys. Ultimate low. Ultimate bottom. Second best this morning. And that's how you trade with institutions and not against them. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do, because traders globally trading the system for the last 10 years. From micro account to multi-million, multi-billion dollar account to JP Morgan traders. What is stopping you? Choice is yours. The instrument you trade. Jennifer is my friend for life. Trading with her husband and her husband's best friend. And that's everything to me. One day I will be mentoring Jennifer's children how to trade Alpha Fibonacci System. This afternoon I'm meeting with Jason. Jason is my friend for life. As soon as COVID insanity is done, I'm traveling the world meeting with my students, celebrating 10-year anniversary of traders globally trading the system. It is 100% your choice what you will decide to trade. But that's ultimate simplicity in front of you. Especially if you were here yesterday morning. Ultimate low is the ultimate gift. If you understand what institutions do, you're riding the power with them. This is a chart that's been present in front of you for many, many years. This is institutional chart. This is where multi-million and multi-billion dollar positions are traded. Here is a reminder of the power of the system and what played out for the last year on S&P E-mini futures, which is what I held long-term with Alpha Fibonacci System. Here is review. In 2020, S&P reaches institutional reversal zone. Strategic Alpha Fibonacci trader and investor understands what this means. Protecting investments, protecting long-term positions, understanding the danger of day trading. So when markets start selling off, what do you see at the bottom? Institutional reversal zone, your buy point. You protected your investments and you're looking to buy ultimate low with institutions. You made an effort, many months in advance where the buy point will be. And with ultimate precision, you identify the power of 2200 level on S&P. So when price reaches this level, you are not listening to panic and disaster and negativity on the news. You understand that top 1% owns the news. You trade with top 1%. You're not trading against them. You understand if trading on the news worked, everybody would be Bill Gates. You are not touching any shorts. You're excited about buying the bottom. News and panic remains on the news, but S&P rallying from Alpha Fibonacci institutional buy level. You're enjoying the rally. You bought with institutions. You keep buying the dips. That's the power of the system. And you know many months in advance where reversal zone will be. But you are not touching any shorts because the pullback at reversal zone showing you clearly institutional support remains respected. This time around in 2020, institutions not shorting the markets, not closing the positions. Key support being respected. But this is a very different market. Day trading becomes challenging. Alpha Fibonacci traders know and obey that. Overextended rally remains intact. Institutional support levels remains obeyed. That's the power of institutional Alpha Fibonacci system. You are trading with Goldman and JP Morgan traders. You are not trading against them. Since March 23rd, every single day we identify institutional buy levels. There are 0 institutional shorts. It's the biggest vertical rally in 40 years. Alpha Fibonacci system identified many months in advance. The institutional buy point. Remember that? A year, 14 months ago. Do you? Do you remember what 2200 looked like? It's institutional reversal zone. You are never shorting near. That's what that level looked like on March 23rd. That's what the level looked like in the months of May. Right now, we're in very different markets. Markets are brutal. But institutional support level remains intact. Institutions not shorting the markets. Markets will continue being brutal and vicious if institutions will keep holding positions. My incredible traders who make an effort showing phenomenal performance every single day. Because with the power of the system, you're buying here. With Goldman, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, BlackRock traders. That's it. It's black and white. Right now, nothing here to do. Market stuck in the middle, and the junk can last for hours. Intelligent trader done early this morning. So traders share how many hours per week they trade. This is your work week. Would you like to make spectacular living trading 4 to 6 hours per week? Jennifer with 2 little babies at home, 1 hour per day. Only Monday through Thursdays, that's 4 hours per week. Larry shares 1.5 hours per day. As Jennifer says, 2 hours per day if greed kicks in. Theo is my hero in the middle of night in Australia. Every single one of these traders, different country. In front of you, Canada, Australia, Colorado, Texas, New York, Florida. Every trader different expertise, but every single trader who makes an effort show you the skies are the limit with the Alpha Fibonacci system. Traded globally for the last 10 years. Tomorrow is extremely important class. So when you come to the websites, everything is self-explanatory, traders. Summary in front of you. System traded in more than 50 countries by thousands of traders on futures, stocks, Forex, Bitcoin, options, on all instruments, all platforms. We're the only website that shares students' emails. You can read students' reviews. If I can post hundreds of thousands of emails I received over the years, there will be millions of pages on websites. Listen to podcasts and see students' stories. Emmanuel is Jennifer's husband, legend. Brad from $10 to $3,500 per day. Carlton, healthcare system executive at night, trades for hedge fund. Ken, view the movie he made about his life. Richard, retired physical therapist, tripled, quadrupled his account with Alpha Fibonacci system in less than 2 months. Simply choose from system appropriate for you. Private mentoring overbooked. I only have one spot. You must work with my schedule. Speak with me first. I hold your hand. I spell out the trade that will change your life. The trade I use on all of my positions. But if you want to join group course, lifetime system for any platform, $29.77 only. Classes are live, videos, modules included. Lifetime software for Ninja 8, pet, with whom I work every single day, graduate of the course, software developer, will hold your hand. Videos and library of modules included. The most important classes Thursday and Monday. Tomorrow afternoon, I work with 11-year-old girl. But if you listen to 14-year-old boy, what is stopping you? Tell me. If they can do it, so can you. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Because every single one of these traders show you the skies are the limit. That's it. That's it. If you make an effort, trading maximum 5 to 6 hours per week. Choice is yours what you want to trade. Simply make an effort and trade with institutions and not against them. That's the power of the system. We start from scratch tomorrow in class.